My name is Bruno Flavin. From 2023 to 2025, I designed and led Doualiya, an AI microservices orchestrator at France Médias Monde, the French international public broadcasting group behind France, 24 RFI and Monte Carlo Doualiya. France Médias Monde broadcasts continuously to over 180 countries, with newsrooms producing content in more than 15 languages: Arabic, Farsi, Mandarin, Swahili, Hausa. The challenge goes beyond the technical. It means industrializing AI without sacrificing editorial sovereignty or data security. Before Doualiya, the situation was concerning. No centralized AI infrastructure to share processing across three newsrooms. Real data leakage risks through uncontrolled third-party cloud APIs. Time-consuming manual processes on repetitive, low editorial value tasks. And above all, no governance or optimization capability for LLM models. I defined 8 strategic priorities that guided every product decision: security and privacy, model sovereignty, cost control, human editorial validation, native multilingualism, model optimization and versioning, environmental responsibility, and finally, team training and adoption, because a poorly adopted AI is worth nothing. Technically, Doualiya is a layered architecture deployed on Azure. At the surface, a Streamlit sandbox for editorial teams, a CMS integration, and Power BI dashboards. Underneath, a fast API router with ML flow prompt and model management. At the core, 7 independent microservices running on Whisper NLLB, Azure GPT models, and on-premise LLMs. These are Doualiya's real production endpoints: the Streamlit sandbox for exploration and training, ML Flow for experiment and prompt management, and 7 documented fast API services: transcription, translation, summarization, entity recognition, spelling, generic LLM instruction, and media underscore info underscore gen, directly integrated into CMS named Bach. On the methodology side, I ran the project in strict Scrum: 27 sprints, detailed personas, co creation workshops with journalists from each newsroom. The founding principle: user value over technical performance. From the initial benchmark to the 10th production release, zero major regression. The Streamlit sandbox is the central onboarding interface. In a few clicks, a journalist can upload an audio file, choose a microservice, select the target language, and get a result in 3 to 8 seconds. No technical skills required. That is what a user-centric AI product looks like. 2 standout integrations: media underscore info underscore gen in CMS named Bach. When an article is validated, it automatically generates an SEO title, summary, and named entities, completely invisible to the journalist. And category underscore matcher in Power BI, a key, feeding editorial analysis dashboards in real time, reducing manual categorization time by around 70%. My role as AI coordinator and product owner represented 325 man days, from the initial use case mapping through recruiting the lead data scientist, sprint management, executive presentations, and running the internal AI community of practice. The results in numbers: nearly 2,000 active users across 3 newsrooms, 15 languages covered, 10 production releases with zero major regression, and 90% of the original specification objectives achieved. Doualiya illustrates my ability to build an industrial AI product from start to finish, from strategic vision through to production, in a multilingual, editorially demanding environment with a rigorous user-centric approach. If you would like to know more, I am available to discuss it. In the rest of this video, you will see the main screens of Doualiya scroll by. See you in a minute.